Here we're going to look at two examples on how to identify an equation as a linear equation. So the first thing we have to do is not make any assumptions. Instead, what we want to do is we want to see if we can do what's called rewrite the equation. And we're talking about your given equation into standard form. Now, standard form is the form ax plus by equals c. Okay. So here what we're going to do is, the first thing is we need to FOIL out this middle piece right here. So we have x squared minus, I'm going to open a parentheses, and here we're going to have x minus 1 times x minus 1. So that's going to give us x squared minus a 2x plus 1. And this whole thing equals y. Now after that, the next thing we need to do is take this negative and we need to distribute it into my parentheses. So here I have x squared minus x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals y. Notice if I combine my terms, my x squareds go away, leaves me with 2x minus 1 equals y. Since I want standard form, I need to take my y and move it to the other side, which means I need to take my 1 and move it to the other side. So I have 2x minus y equals 1. Since this is standard form, or resembles standard form, we would say that yes, it is linear. Now if we look at the second example here, we want to be able to see if we can put this into standard form. The first thing that I would do is I would take my 2y and I would move it. So here you end up with 3x plus xy minus my 2y equals 0. Now if you look at it, I have this middle term. This middle term right here cannot be separated. Okay, so because of this middle term, this automatically says that you are not linear, because there is nothing that we can do to that middle term that is going to get us to standard form. Okay, so because there's no standard form here, then we do not have a linear equation. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, there's two examples about how to identify if an equation is a linear equation. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this really short video, and I'll see you next time.